Lunges are one of the most effective lower body exercises, and doing them in different variations provides a wide range of health and fitness benefits. Here's a breakdown of the benefits. Health benefits of lunges, general. 1. Strengthens lower body muscles. Works quads, glutes, hamstrings, calves, and hips. Improves muscle tone and endurance. 2. Enhances core stability. Requires balance and core engagement to stay upright. Strengthens abs, obliques, and lower back. 3. Improves balance and coordination. Each lunge is unilateral, one leg at a time. Helps correct muscle imbalances between left and right sides. 4. Boosts functional strength. Mimics everyday movements like walking, climbing, and bending. Improves mobility and joint function. 5. Increases hip flexibility and mobility. Stretches hip flexors and groin. Prevents stiffness from sitting too long. 6. Enhances joint health. Builds strength around knees, hips, and ankles. Supports injury prevention. 7. Supports cardiovascular and calorie burn. Dynamic lunge variations. Jump lunges, walking lunges. Raise heart rate. Helps with fat loss and conditioning. 8. Athletic performance benefits. Builds explosive strength, agility, and speed. Useful for runners, sprinters, and athletes. Benefits of specific lunge variations. Forward lunge. Strengthens quads. Improves stepping, walking power. Reverse lunge. Easier on knees. Targets glutes and hamstrings more. Walking lunge. Builds endurance, balance, and cardiovascular fitness. Side lunge, lateral lunge. Strengthens inner thighs, adductors, and outer hips. Curtsy lunge. Targets glute medius, improves hip stability. Jump lunge, plyometric. Improves explosive power, agility, and conditioning. Split squat, stationary lunge. Maximizes time under tension for strength and muscle growth. Overhead lunge. Challenges shoulders and core stability while working legs. In summary, a variety of lunges builds a stronger, more balanced and flexible lower body, improves athleticism, burns calories, supports joint health, and trains your body in functional ways for daily movement. Check my next video.